This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by ensuring both the case and AirPods have adequate charge. Low battery causes pairing errors. Once done, open the case next to your iPhone and watch the on-screen animation. This automatically pairs because iCloud shares credentials. If you use Android, go to Bluetooth settings and open the case, then press the setup button on the back to enter pairing mode. Make sure Bluetooth and location are enabled on the device so discovery completes reliably. Now customize behavior so your AirPods work for how you listen. On iPhone, go to Settings and assign double tap or press actions for Play, Next, or Siri. On other devices, map controls in Bluetooth options. Enable automatic ear detection and choose left/right microphone priority to improve call quality. Once set, learn device switching. Use Control Center on iPhone or the Bluetooth menu on Mac and Android. This lets you move audio without repairing, which saves. Finish by applying advanced maintenance so issues are rare. If audio cuts or one bud drops, first charge and reseat them in the case. Then reset by holding the setup button until the status light blinks amber then white, and repair. Make sure firmware stays current by leaving AirPods in the charged case near your iPhone overnight. If persistent problems remain, clean the speaker and charging contacts gently with a dry brush. This often restores connection and sound clarity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.